Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore client onboarding workflows with DocuSign templates, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. Start by logging into your DocuSign account. Navigate to the templates section on the sidebar. Click on the Create Template button to start a new template. Enter a name for your template that reflects its purpose. Add a description to give context to the template. Select the documents that your onboarding workflow will use. Upload these documents by dragging and dropping them into the designated area. Once your documents are uploaded, click Next to proceed. In the next window, set up the recipient roles for your onboarding process. Define the roles by clicking on Add Recipients. Choose whether you want to assign roles as signers, carbon copy recipients, or other roles as needed. Next, specify the signing order if this is relevant for your workflow. After adding recipients, click Next to continue. Now, it's time to add the necessary fields to your documents. Use the drag and drop interface to place signature fields, date fields, and text fields where needed. Customize each field's properties to ensure the right information is captured. Once you've finalized your fields, click Next. Review your template to ensure everything is set up correctly. Make any adjustments if necessary, then click Save and Close. To use your new template, navigate back to the Templates section. Select the template you just created. Click on Use to start a new envelope based on this template. Add the recipients for this specific onboarding session. Make any adjustments to the document if needed. Finally, send the envelope to start your client onboarding process using the restored workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.